car wash soap safely removes dirt, grime, and contaminants, protecting paint and maintaining shine. My today's video is about top 5 best car wash soap that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's car wash soap. Meguiar's Gold Class Foaming Car Wash Soap is the ultimate solution for effortless, professional quality car cleaning. Designed as a one-step wash and conditioner, it simplifies your routine by cleaning and preserving your vehicle's finish simultaneously, saving time while delivering a flawless, factory-like shine. Its advanced formula is gentle enough to maintain existing wax protection while effectively removing dirt, road grime, and other contaminants. The biodegradable, eco-friendly suds pick up even the toughest debris, leaving your car spotless without compromising the environment. Meguiar's rich paint conditioners restore vibrancy to dull or faded surfaces, giving your vehicle a long-lasting, radiant finish that's show-ready. The soap is versatile, suitable for bucket washing or foam cannon application, easily diluted 5:1 for professional-level results. With over 125 years of expertise in automotive care, Meguiar's continues to lead in high-quality DIY car care solutions. Gold Class Foaming Car Wash is perfect for car enthusiasts seeking convenience, superior cleaning, and lasting shine in a single product. Now our second product is RainX Car Wash Soap. RainX Foaming Car Wash Soap is a premium solution for drivers seeking a brilliant, streak-free finish with minimal effort. Its advanced formula reduces spots and streaks, providing a high-gloss shine without stripping or dulling existing wax protection. Designed to lift dirt, grime, and residues from rain, sleet, snow, and road debris, it leaves vehicles looking spotless every time. The concentrated, biodegradable formula produces rich, high-foaming suds that clean effectively while being eco-friendly. With just a small amount of concentrate, it delivers maximum cleaning action, making it both cost-effective and efficient for regular car maintenance. RainX has been a trusted automotive brand for over 50 years, providing reliable products that help drivers stay a confident step ahead on the road. Easy to use, the car wash soap can be applied with a wash mitt or sponge after rinsing off heavy dirt, then rinsed and dried for a flawless finish. RainX Foaming Car Wash Soap is perfect for anyone who wants a safe, brilliant, and convenient cleaning experience. Our third product is Chemical Guys Car Wash Soap. Chemical Guys Extreme Wash Plus Wax Soap is a versatile, professional quality car wash solution designed for all types of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and off-road vehicles. Its pH-balanced formula ensures safe cleaning on paint, glass, wheels, trim, coated surfaces, wraps, and clear bras without stripping wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings. This soap works seamlessly with foam cannons, suds guns, or traditional 2-bucket washing, creating thick, clinging foam that lifts dirt, grime, and contaminants effectively. Infused with carnauba wax, it leaves behind a slick, hydrophobic layer that enhances depth, gloss, and water-repelling protection, keeping vehicles cleaner for longer. Beyond performance, Extreme Wash Plus Wax delivers a fun washing experience with a refreshing grape scent, making every car care session more enjoyable. Gentle yet powerful, it safely cleans while preserving your vehicle's existing protection and finish. For anyone seeking convenience, professional results, and a high-gloss shine in one step, Chemical Guys Extreme Wash Plus Wax is an excellent choice. Now number 4, Armor All Car Wash Soap. Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Wax is an all-in-one solution that cleans, shines, and protects your vehicle effortlessly. Each 64 fluid ounces bottle contains a proprietary blend of cleaning agents, surface lubricants, and real carnauba wax. Delivering a professional quality wash in one simple step, this powerful formula produces thick, rich suds that gently lift dirt, grime, and road debris while promoting water beading for faster drying and protection against water spots. The result is an intense, mirror-like shine that enhances your paint's deep, radiant color. Safe for all automotive surfaces, its pH-neutral formula ensures gentle cleaning without harming paint, trims, or finishes. Versatile in use, it works perfectly for traditional hand washes or with a foam cannon to achieve a thick, professional lather. Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Wax is the ideal choice for car enthusiasts who want a spot-free, gleaming finish while protecting their vehicle with minimal effort. And our last choice is Chemical Guys Car Wash Soap. Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Foam Cleaner is a professional-grade car wash soap designed for off-road enthusiasts and heavy-duty vehicles. This powerful formula blasts through thick dirt, mud, and road film while producing rich, clinging suds that safely lift grime from every surface. Perfect for trucks, ATVs, Jeeps, RVs, and other off-road rigs, it easily rinses away buildup from trails, work sites, and outdoor adventures. The soap works seamlessly with pressure washer foam cannons, garden hose suds guns, or traditional wash buckets, making it versatile for all washing setups. Its gentle yet strong formula is safe for paint, clear coat, wraps, metal, glass, and plastics, allowing you to clean both work vehicles and recreational toys without risk of damage. Infused with a refreshing lemon scent, the wash experience becomes more enjoyable while cutting through heavy grime. Packaged in a convenient 128 ounces, 1 gallon jug, this soap provides high-volume suds for frequent washes, fleets, or off-road adventures, making Chemical Guy's heavy-duty foam cleaner a must-have for serious vehicle care. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.